Hi, my name is Bhavya Anand. I am the Director for Operations for Harichandra and Company. And today I'm going to show you a very unique machine. This machine is by Juita. This is a 360-degree rotating head machine. What's a 360-degree rotating head? Well, this machine can rotate the head on its axis. So every stitch remains straight. Even the hook set in this machine can rotate 360 degrees. That's a very unique feature which is not available in any other machine. So I'm going to place this piece of fabric right here and I'm going to start the stitching operation. As you can see, the head can rotate along its axis. Now the head will rotate again. Well, this machine is majorly used in car seats industry. There are a couple of these machines working in big car brands, including Kia, including Toyota, including Mercedes as well. And as you can see, every stitch remains straight. So you can see the stitching of this machine is extremely fine. I don't know if you can notice in this sample or not, but it's an extremely fine stitch. Again, all the major car brands are using this machine. Be it Kia, be it Mercedes, be it BMW, all of them are using this kind of machine for heavy duty swing. Thank you.